Namaskara, Namaskara, Namaskara. Ellargu Namaskaralu. This is Ashish Matthew. Welcome to another vlog. A new strain of COVID virus has been identified in UK, which has made the whole world tensed. India has actually temporarily banned all the flights from UK. Really sad about the people who are planning to travel. From today, that is 22nd of December, midnight until 31st of December. Okay, no flights will be allowed to enter from UK to India. So this is a rule from India. Okay, so and those people who have actually traveled before 22nd, that is today, would have to go through a compulsory RT-PCR test, okay, which will be done in the airport. And also Maharashtra being the first state to impose some kind of the quarantine rules for people who are coming from UK, Europe, and also Middle East. So what are those rules? Here we go. Here in the video. People who are actually coming from UK would have to go through a 7 days of mandatory institutional quarantine. Okay, and these are for the asymptomatic. Okay, for symptomatic patients, symptomatic people, they would be sent to a separate specific hospital. It's called a Seven Hills Hospital. This was a discussion yesterday done by the government of Maharashtra that special people who are coming from UK, only for them a specific hospital will be set, that is the Seven Hills Hospital. So any of you guys who are actually coming from UK who are symptomatic would be sent to Seven Hills Hospital. Who are asymptomatic would have to go through a 7 days of mandatory institutional quarantine. As any of you guys who are actually coming from the European countries or even from the Middle Eastern countries would have to go through a 7 days of mandatory institutional quarantine, and symptomatic guys would have to go to GT hospital. So even here there is a specific hospital which has been set, that is the GT hospital, only for the symptomatic people. People who are traveling from the rest, that is the Southeast Asia or even United States of America, wouldn't have to go through a 7 days of institutional quarantine, but you will be having a mandatory home quarantine, and there will be a seal. You remember during the lockdown period there was a home quarantine seal that would be definitely there on your hand. So please don't roam. There will be strict action taken on. Number 4, those guys who are actually traveling from Goa, Rajasthan, Gujarat, okay, Delhi, these states who are entering Maharashtra PCR test mandatorily. If you don't have gone through in your state, you will be going through it in the railway station, airport, or even the bus station as well. So which is very much mandatory, only from these 4 states, and this particular rule is still valid. States have yet announced any kind of rules yet, but I can anticipate that many other states are still planning, and definitely other states would also bring down this particular rule of institutional quarantine, especially for the people who are actually traveling from UK or Europe or even from Middle Eastern countries. Really sad that this particular new strain of COVID virus has been identified in UK, and resulting all the neighboring bordering countries like France, Italy, Germany, Israel, all these countries have actually closed their borders with UK. Okay, no kind of transport, no flight, no buses, no huge trucks, okay, no boats. All these things have actually stopped, and it is really sad, and I really can anticipate that this, we have to be extremely careful. In the coming days, there are cases that it can actually reach India as well. So we have to be extremely careful. Please wash your hands, wear your mask when you're going out. So please be careful. Even Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, and Oman have actually stopped their flight services for the next 1 week or until 31st of December, mainly because of this particular new strain of COVID virus. So they will not be having any kind of bus transport, truck transport, flight, or even the boats with the neighboring countries as well. So that is Saudi, Oman, and Kuwait. Guys, these are the latest update, so I would just let you know any kind of new updates which comes up, and also any kind of passes. Definitely these passes would be valid in the coming days as well, and we have to be extremely careful as well. So any new update comes, I would just let you know. This is Ashish Matthew signing off. Jai Karnataka Mate, Jai Hind. To subscribe to my channel. Take care, bye bye.